Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by exposing the valve and loosening its lock nut. This relieves pressure and lets you access the core safely. Once the lock nut is a few turns out, press the tip to release any residual air. You should hear a small hiss. Make sure you have a valve core tool and rag on hand because you'll remove the tiny core next. Do not wrench hard. Presta parts are brass and strip. Steady, focused pressure wins here. You now use the core tool to unscrew the valve core counterclockwise. Keep the core over the rag so it doesn't get lost. Once free, inspect the tiny pin and threaded body for dirt, corrosion, or sealant buildup. That's often the real problem. Clean all parts with isopropyl or a mild solvent, then dry. Contaminated seals prevent inflation. If the core is bent or threads are damaged, replace it. Make sure seating surfaces are spotless before reassembly. You reinstall the cleaned or new core by threading it gently, hand tight first, then snugging with the tool. Over-tightening risks stripping. Once seated, pump to the recommended pressure and listen closely at the base and tip for leaks. If you detect leakage, depressurize, remove core, add a fresh rubber grommet or new core, then retest. One troubleshooting tip: if small leaks persist, replace the entire valve stem or tube. Failing seals are far cheaper to swap.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.